Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.